Yo, what's going on YouTube? Body Dip here, and today is basically my first YouTube video and the start of my 0 to 100K hyper growth challenge that I'm going to document. So I'm basically gonna document me growing my account from 0 to 100K just using only hyper growth stocks. And a lot of people um look at my investment strategies like kind of like gambling. To a certain way, you can call me a degenerate gambler, but how I basically see it is the only if you're losing money, the only way you can make money is to lose money first, and then you make your money, and that's basically the reality of it. So that's how I look at it, and the how I see the facts of that always stay true to it. You always have to lose money to make money. So I'm basically what I'm going to be doing this challenge. A lot of people are going to see, wow, that's not a smart play. Oh, that's not really good to do. But how I look at it is a play that always worked for me. So why not continue trying it? It had made me money in the past, so why not continue doing it? So a lot of you guys might get entertained by this challenge. Might see me lose a lot of money, and you're gonna see me make a lot of money because you got to take big risks to also make money. Also, you got to take the biggest risks you possibly can to make money. So, how I basically look at this market overall is like, if you say for example you start investing around this time, and you have a good amount of capital in your trading account or your portfolio or anything like that, a lot of cash on the side, if you bought like 5 decent high growth stocks that are down from 30% to 40% from its highs, there's no way you're not going to get some good returns at the end of the year. It makes no sense because how I'm looking at it, like after 3 to 4 months of the little inflation fears going away, and then when the little Wall Street predicts when the Fed's gonna raise rates, and we're gonna go know more about the taxes, the market is going to finally take a breather, and all the money is gonna go back to high growth stocks. That's how I basically see it. There's no way we're gonna be still in these problems 2 to 3 years from now. There's just no way, because at the end of the day, the markets always go up. There's gonna be some brief periods when it's gonna go down, which is the best time to buy, in my opinion, which is a known fact. But these are the times that instead of panicking, complaining, saying your company sucks, all this stuff, your stock sucks, this is the times you probably be buying. That's the reality of it. Because at the end of the day, I look at it, the stock is not the company. If the company's doing good, all the fundamentals are right, they keep improving, expanding, doing everything right fundamentally, why not buy the stock at a discounted price? Because Wall Street is panicking? No, that's not how I'm supposed to look at it. So how I basically look at it is, from here on out, all the stocks I buy, there's no reason why I can't grow my account to 100K. But by the end of this year, I'm not going to jinx myself too much. There's I give myself a 2.5 year or 3 years time frame, but I know I'm going to get through it much more faster. Because as I show my portfolio right now, if I get to 100K, to be honest with you, I feel like that's not enough, because how I look at it right now, I'm going to add more NEO, and NEO alone can easily get my portfolio to where I want it to be. Because how I do the little thing that you show your whole account value. Well, I'm using it on my other phone. What I'm using to record, I'm basically using my iPhone to record, but I basically have like 4 or 5 phones, and I'm using this phone to showcase you my progress, and I'm using the iPhone phone, which is my iPhone 12, which has a great camera, by the way, to record, because I don't have no big fancy camera yet. But yeah, it's like how I see it, the amount of shares I have in NEO, if NEO just hit around 60 or 80, my portfolio is already at around 60 to 70K already. And how NEO is looking right now is like this company, not the stock, the company is fundamentally doing everything right to expand the company is basically doing what it has to do to basically succeed, because at the end of the day, Neo's gonna succeed in China no matter what. So that already there, I already know Neo's gonna bring a lot of value to this challenge. Other stocks I'm basically looking at is, I'm looking at Jumia. Jumia had a good quarter. Beat expectations. They're looking more and more profitable. They're getting more to profitability, and they're in one of a huge place, which is Africa, which is can be a huge part of their market share. Because if you get like internet in certain places in Africa and they can buy stuff online, that would be huge for Jumia overall. I see a huge potential in Jumia, and a really good high growth stock, Jumia. Growth generation, when cannabis gets more legalized, and when cannabis get more legalized, I see growth generation, and growth generation is already profitable. They always be their earnings. Well, last quarter, Q4 earnings, they didn't beat it, but Q1 they beat earnings. And there's usually growth generation support levels always around the 40s, and I was kind of shocked that it went down to 36. But as the market sells off, all high growth stocks are going to sell off. So not too surprised about that. X1, this is a good swing, because when the market goes up, this one goes up really high. As you can see, it went up 7% alone. And the stock that is really, it was up, I think it was up like 60 at one point. 54, close enough. Yeah, 64.50. That's crazy. It's a really good stock, and when you're trying to swing it in the bull market. 3D system with a 3D company, 3D printing company that's profitable, that I see that's way being down. Beat expectations in their earnings. Like all these high growth stocks I'm looking to buy, 3D, Plug Power, Jumia, Growth Generation, X1, MP, all these are really good high growth stocks, especially in the bull market. And these things can, let's say for example, you have 100 shares of all 60 of these stocks, you're gonna see your portfolio on a daily hit 40-50% on the upside and 60-70% on the downside. So that's really the more risky side of being a hyper growth investor. The up days are going to be really good, and the down days is like you gotta stomach that volatility overall. So this is basically my first video. Like I said, this is going to be a really interesting challenge. I can see I'm up 17. I was up 17.85% for the day, which is usually not normal, because when you're in a high growth stock, that's what happens. In 2.7 after hours. I'm gonna showcase you guys my 1 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year all time, to showcase you guys my progress. As you can see, I'm down. Like, who's not down? And then I'm down from all time. But anybody who's investing in the high growth stocks, we're all down. There's nobody's up except for the hedge funds that are shorting the market. So yeah, that's basically about it. My first video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm usually gonna try and make updates, I'll say at the end of the week, probably Thursday or Friday. Because right now how the market is, it is kind of boring, and a lot of people don't like seeing red at all. Like, a lot of people really hate it, but these are the best times to buy. And when the market is going back up, you're gonna be surprised of the people who bought at the dips. You're gonna see the amazing gains they were making when the market is going up. So that's basically about it. I'm keep you guys updated almost every week, and when the market is getting a little bit more interesting, I'll make more videos. So overall, I just want to get my foot in the door in this YouTube stuff, because overall I want to document my journey to make it to 100K, because it'll be more special if I do it on camera, and that's how I basically wanted to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, you know what to do. Leave a like, share, subscribe, whatever those little YouTubers be doing. And I see you guys in the next video. Peace out.